Good evening, friends. For those of you that were with us 2 or 3 days ago, before even the first altcoin pump, we saw it on the weekly. I even bought some Zcash, longed Ripple, which I totally forgot about. Totally forgot about this. But that's been long since 26 cents. Wish I longed more, but whatever. It's Ripple. It's Ripple, baby. I need to make a video showing our stream, the part from the stream where we called it, nailed it. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, let's see if we can find it. Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. How's our volume? Is this it? Amazon, where was the shitcoin call? Let's find it. I'm looking for when we were, we were looking at all the altcoins. The weekly was showing it. Altcoins were just at bottoms. Bought some. It went up. Longed a little bit. It went up. Yeah, anyway, whatever. A good few hundred of you guys were there. I'll put it on a video or something. Yeah, I actually might actually dump this trade while it's at 50%. It's really not a big deal. I actually forgot about it. I really didn't even remember that I was in this. But let's take a look at the charts. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Cruising the force field. We are cruising the force field. It's gonna get real. It's real tight rate. Potential little bot. There is more room to the upside on the 12-hour. Let's zoom in. Enhance. It's a dangerous time. We're at the end of the triangle, so we really have to take that into consideration. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like it's just bang. I don't know. This force field is really strong in here. It's really strong. And it really hasn't led us wrong for a long time. Oh, whoops.
Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again, will the renegade master D4 down with the ill behavior.
Yeah, this money flows. I mean, it's coming down heavy, real heavy. We're about to be breaching in the red. There could be a false breakout. Like, if there is a breakout, I wouldn't really bet on it. But if there is a shot to 10-6, I feel like that could really trigger the violent dump. What day is it today? The 19th. Damn, we are so close. It's even in the song. They're talking about backed in the music. Now, I actually wanted to do a video on a possible scenario that nobody has talked about. And that scenario is not if it goes up or down, but that if it goes sideways. And what that would mean if we actually went through this triangle and went sideways. If that happens, we're extra bearish, because we would just be repeating the same damn thing. Because how many times was there triangles? I mean, how many times did this triangle get broken out, then broken out, right? This triangle happened a million times. And just stretched into a line of nothing before a dump. And look at it. It almost looks like it's doing the same thing. I really just think we're just going to repeat the same process. We still had a lower high. We are technically not out of this bear run. We have just had a little pump, a big pump. But look at look what happened last time. Look how deep we cut in to the money flow, the transactional flow, and we weren't able to get out of it. It died. This is a deep laceration. I don't even want to say laceration. This is like being hit by a shotgun from a foot away from half your stomach. Half your stomach is missing. The guts, there's no more guts to even put back in. The momentum's right here. I don't think we can pull up. I think there's too much, way too much resistance. I think there's too much. There's nowhere to go, and something's got to happen. Bitcoin's got to move. It has to go down. It has to go down. Has to go down. Vertical line is when backed begins. That's on the 23rd. What was the day of the futures launch last time? December 17th or something? I mean, you could put a line right there, same shit happened, whatever, we've all seen it, but I don't know, I really don't see it. Really don't see it. Now, we've gotten pushed down and come back up, like we've been pushed down, yeah, it's gotten bought back up, but being able to have the price action go up and retain, man, I don't see it. see it. And if we just continue to go sideways, then my case is even stronger. And just because we have a little bottom doesn't mean it has to go up much. It could go up just even a tiny little bit, and then that's confirmed. What was the weekly looking like? Yeah, weekly not looking good. Let's go back to what we saw with the shitcoin market 3 days ago. So what, 3 days ago, we were on this candle? Or, no, it was still this candle, it just wasn't this big. And we saw it coming, even on the live stream. Myself purchased shitcoins, Zcash, Ripple. And the very next day, it pumped. Then it dumped a little bit again, and then it pumped a hell of a lot more. And there might still be some juice left with this. Might still be some juice left. ETH came back down to 202, came back up again. It could be fading out too. This might be. Now wait a minute. Oh. Folks, let's turn this music up a little bit for what we're about to say. Yeah. And we're talking about a divergence right here. This could be a big move to the downside. Let me move some funds around. I think it's time, folks. I think it's time to bet against. I think it's time to bet down. But that still means there could be still a move. One more move to the upside even. It could just be the first divergence. There could be one more pump up. And it could be a continued divergence, and I'd have to stack shorts. I think it's time to start stacking shorts. Might be time to start stacking some shorts. I'm talking low leverage. Shitcoins are dangerous, people. Boy, well, when it comes to ETH, low leverage for shitcoins, we're talking 3 to 5. I'm thinking. Yeah, this could be tightening up. 220, maybe it'll touch 220 again. VWAP taking a turn to the downside potentially. Let's zoom in. Enhance. Overall money flow. The difference between this one and this one is the momentum is heading towards the downside. Unless this magically, unless the money flow magically turns up and somehow gets even thicker, and I think that's a lot to ask for. If you think this is a bull market, who is this guy? Boy, I tell you, this chat is toxic. Bruh, have you not been seeing our results for what, the past month? Go back in your place, little boy. Go back to your place. Because we've been shorting this quote-unquote bull market. Are you telling me we're in a bull market right now? Is that what you think, little boy? Little boy, are you telling me since, we'll even say July, to give you the benefit of the doubt. Let's give you the benefit of the doubt. I tell you what, here we're gonna ignore this because apparently facts don't matter to you. Let's take a look at some profit logs here. Let's see how what's going on with this. Golly, there's one pump, the guy calls it a bull market here. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God, shorting them. Oh, Jesus, these people have just been getting wrecked. God, these people have been getting wrecked. What are we doing in this group? What are we doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Oh, getting wrecked. Oh, we're getting wrecked. Oh, this guy. Oh, we're getting wrecked right here. Little boy, do you see? Do you see, little boy? Oh, who's that? Oh, who's that? And by the way, this has all been since yesterday. This isn't from months ago. All the scrolling we've done, we haven't even passed yesterday yet, boy. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. And shut your mouth. And take what your new daddy's gonna give you, because even though you may say stupid things like we all have, I am kind and I have mercy. Anyways. Okay, where were we? Man, this guy just totally threw me off for a second. What were we talking about? ETH. So, now we were long 3 days ago before the first two pumps. And you have to be aware of your time frames. Listen, this is a short off the 2-hour time frame. Hell, it could go down to 200 or 211. If we short and God forbid we hit a 5% move with 10x leverage, that's 50%. Don't tell me what to do. Now, there's been a pattern that's been repeating itself. We see it right here as well on many time frames. It dips, comes back up, cruises to the downside. I bet you we can find more. Hell, even this one. Boom, big dip, comes up, cruises to the downside. Boom, dip, cruise up, cruises to the downside. I mean, that's just on one time frame, but you see my point. Like I said, here's my trade, one of my trades. Where's yours? I'm banking on this cruising to the downside. And I was asleep when all this happened. But yeah, when it comes up to equal or above where it was before, it's common sense. For even if you're just a support and resistance guy, even if you're just trading off support and resistance, we've built up a long-term, whether this is support or resistance, it's been there for a while. We dipped hella to the downside. Now we're back up to it. It's weakening. It's weakening. Interesting how we're seeing just like a slow, we're on the 1 minute right now, right? And we're seeing kind of like these bear signals, and we're just kind of here's another one. Look, dip, bang, come back up, boom, to the downside. Dip, bang, came back up, shot up pretty damn good. I gotta put an ETH short in. Good. See if how high this can go up. We want to short when it's coming up in the green, or at least I want to. I don't know about anybody else, so I'm gonna see if I can short this at a good little top price. There is no best time zone to trade crypto. Boot this little bitch out of here. Just like every other nerd that comes in. How many nerds have come into our channel on all comments on all my videos, all our streams for this past, since the beginning? really, since the beginning of this channel. But let's just talk about the past month. You all just disappear, and you all disappear. You are nobodies, so you are worth nothing. You are some random flea. And you will just dissipate away. There is nothing to be held accountable for. Shoo, flea! Shoo! We're at 219.35. All right, I'm gonna enter some right now. 219.35. Boom, I'm in. Looks like my quote-unquote liquidation is at $272. Pardon me, I'm at 219.30 was my official entry. 219.30. I like seeing this money flow thin out. It's good news for me. See that baby thin out. Come on down to the merry-go-round. Come on down. Come on down to the merry-go-round, baby. We got the 3 hour. Now, the 3 hour isn't as big of a cut. So we'll give the flea that. Taking a look at my favorite shitcoin. During the live stream, we bought. What did I buy at? Was it 47 something or 43, 44, or 45? We were at the bottom. We were down here. Bought a bunch of Zcash. Next day, boom! Shot up like 8%. For questions, you can go to. Hang on. CryptoFaceCrypto.com. Feel free to click on Market Cipher. That's me right there. That's me. Just kidding. Actually, a better place to go as well. Not a better place. But if you want to know what Market Cipher is, go to the Market Cipher tutorials. Introducing Market Cipher, the greatest indicator of all time. Winning every damn trade with the blue waves. Do you want to be like one of these people in the profit logs? All these people every day, every hour, from any time frame, the minute to the 6 hour. Now, what does this say? Just got back from an overnight business trip and could not keep non-market cipher. While I was there, put my position 96.90. Came home to find I filled 60 above. Couldn't be more excited about Marcus cipher. Marcus cipher. Oh, Marcus cipher. Marcus cipher. When you have your own fan songs, you're probably doing something right. By the way, we need to take it easy on Carl. I actually like Carl, okay? I like Carl. So here's guitar. It's my favorite part. Shit goes hard. Stop getting wrecked. It's the market cipher. Get the market. With a shout out to crypto face, he's my homie. All you haters can blow me. This goes out to the traders, goes out to my haters. Aren't you tired of getting wrecked? Good shit. Even our fan art is turning into Tesla. We have like profit logs pouring into testimonials, pouring into fan art. So 7-year-old Sophia is going to be a chart star. Oh, his little daughter. Ha! His daughter's drawing charts. Isn't that cute? She's rather bearish. I haven't seen this. I like this can. Cool can. That's pretty cool. Oh man. Zcash. Yeah, you know, this might not be much. This could just keep cruising. We are so close to zero. My gosh. How close to zero it is. Oh my god, it's gonna line up perfectly. It's gonna go right into his ass and come right back down, I tell you, folks. All right. I think we're gonna call it a stream for now. Yeah, what do we got? We got 4 days left to see what happens. 4 days left. In 4 days, I'll either be jumping around, praising around, saying I told you so for months, or maybe not. Either way, make sure that you are not over leveraged, not over positioned, not doing anything stupid, even if I am wrong. And let's say the price does not dump up, begins to pump and go to the upside, I'll be ready to take advantage of that as well. So, until then, good luck. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys later.